Success means different things to different people. For some, it's about career achievements. For others, it's about personal fulfillment or financial freedom. Regardless of your definition, many individuals find themselves wondering why they haven't reached their goals. In this extensive guide, we'll explore 5 common reasons why you may not be successful and provide actionable strategies to overcome these barriers. One of the primary reasons many people struggle with success is the absence of clear, defined goals. Without knowing what you want to achieve, it's nearly impossible to develop a roadmap to get there. Clear goals provide direction and motivation. They help you measure progress and keep you accountable. A lack of goals can lead to aimlessness, resulting in wasted time and effort. Clearly define what you want to achieve. Instead of saying, I want to get fit, specify, I want to run a 5K in under 30 minutes. Measurable, quantify your goals. This allows you to track your progress effectively. Achievable. Ensure your goals are realistic. Consider your current resources and constraints. Relevant. Your goals should align with your broader life objectives and values. Time-bound, set deadlines to create urgency. For example, I will achieve this within 6 months. Divide larger goals into smaller, manageable tasks. This makes the process less overwhelming and allows you to celebrate small victories along the way. Write it down. Documenting your goals increases accountability. Keep them visible on your desk, as your phone wallpaper, or in a journal to remind you of what you're working toward. Fear of failure. Understanding the issue. Fear of failure is a powerful barrier to success. It can paralyze you, making you hesitate to take risks or pursue opportunities. Why it matters. Fear can lead to missed opportunities and stagnation. If you're constantly worried about failing, you're less likely to take the steps necessary for success. How to fix it. Reframe your perspective. See failure as a learning opportunity. Instead of viewing failure negatively, consider it a chance to learn and grow. Reflect on what went wrong and how you can improve next time. Embrace a growth mindset. Adopt the belief that you can improve. Embrace the idea that skills and intelligence can be developed. This mindset encourages you to take risks and learn from setbacks. Take small risks. Start by taking small, calculated risks in your life. This helps desensitize you to failure, building your resilience and confidence over time. Poor time management. Understanding the issue. Inefficient use of time is a common reason for lack of success. Many people struggle to prioritize tasks and often feel overwhelmed. Why it matters. Time is a finite resource. Poor time management can lead to missed deadlines, increased stress, and ultimately unfulfilled goals. How to fix it. 3.1. Prioritize tasks. Use the Eisenhower matrix. This tool helps categorize tasks based on urgency and importance, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. Identify your MITs, or most important tasks. Each day, choose a few critical tasks to focus on that will make the biggest impact. 3.2. Create a daily schedule. Plan your day the night before. Outline tasks for the next day to hit the ground running. Include time blocks for deep work and breaks to maintain productivity. 3.3. Limit distractions. Identify common distractions like social media or excessive notifications and take steps to minimize them. Create a workspace that promotes focus and productivity. Understanding the issue. A negative mindset can sabotage your efforts and keep you from seeing opportunities. Self-doubt and pessimism can prevent you from taking action. Why it matters. Your mindset shapes your perception of challenges and successes. A negative outlook can lead to self-fulfilling prophecies where your doubts manifest as failures. How to fix it. Replace negative thoughts with positive ones. Create a list of affirmations that resonate with you. Repeat them daily to reinforce a positive self-image. Seek supportive relationships. Spend time with individuals who uplift you. Their positivity can inspire you and help counteract negative thoughts. Focus on gratitude. Keep a gratitude journal. Write down things you're grateful for each day. This practice shifts your focus from what's wrong to what's going well. Inaction and procrastination. Understanding the issue. Procrastination is a common hurdle that many face. It often stems from fear, perfectionism, or simply feeling overwhelmed by tasks. Why it matters. Inaction leads to missed opportunities and unfulfilled potential. Procrastination can create a cycle of guilt and stress, making it even harder to take action. How to fix it? Understand your triggers. Identify what causes you to procrastinate. Is it boredom, fear, or feeling overwhelmed? Understanding your triggers can help you address the root cause. Use the 2-minute rule. If a task will take 2 minutes or less, do it immediately. This technique helps eliminate small tasks that can accumulate and create a sense of overwhelm. Set up accountability. Share your goals with others. Tell friends or colleagues about your objectives. Their support can motivate you to take action and follow through. Achieving success is often a complex journey filled with challenges and setbacks. By identifying and addressing these 5 common barriers, lack of clear goals, fear of failure, poor time management, negative mindset, and inaction, you can pave your way to success. Remember, the journey to success is not a sprint, it's a marathon. Take small, consistent steps and stay committed to your goals. Your future self will thank you. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with others who may benefit from these insights. Remember, success is not just a destination, it's a journey that requires continuous effort and growth. Start today by taking one small action toward your goals.